All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just making room for what I'm on now. I don't got a clue, but I know the one who does know how. Oh wow, it's like I'm learning to...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss Licious. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and for my old subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your pink lip scrub. My lip used to be very dark, as when I go out, people always ask me, do you smoke? And I will be so embarrassed of myself until I started doing research and I find out this remedy, and it's really nice. I decided to share you guys the process and everything on how you can make your pink lip scrub. Yes, pink lip scrub. So if you want to know how to make your pink lip scrub, keep watching this video. So guys, I'm going to be using brown sugar, coconut oil, lemon, and the color. So I'm going to be adding my coconut oil. I'll prefer you use coconut oil. This is very good for lip scrub. You have to make sure your lip scrub is moisturized. You have to put enough oil. Now I'm adding my lemon. Squeeze out the juice from the lemon. Lemon is good for your lip. It gets rid of dry skin that you have on your lip. So now you mix everything in. So now I'm going to be adding my color. I'm using a red color for the lip scrub to be red. You just have to add a little so it won't be too much. Then you mix it in. So after that, you just wash it off, then clean your lip. Now it is time for you to apply your lip scrub. So put a little on your hands and apply it on your lip gently. Scrub it with your hand gently. Then you leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes before you wash it off. You can scrub it as long as you want, but you have to scrub gently so you don't peel your lip. You know the lip is fragile. So make sure you don't apply it on your upper lip. You just the down lip, because if you apply it on your upper lip, you won't like your lip at all. So when you're done, you just wash it off and clean your lip. For a quicker results, I will advise you do this every day, if possible morning and night. Yeah, this is it guys. Thank you for watching. So there you have it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, please guys subscribe, click the notification bell, and you will be notified whenever I drop a new video. My next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your pink lip balm, so hit the notification bell so you all be notified whenever I drop a new video. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.